Chris here from Australia. Just standing here in my kitchen and I love food, passionate about food, and always hear a lot of people, maybe like you, saying, I wish I could cook like that, don't have enough time, and you Google something, you go, nah, I can't do that, and you find something easy, yes, I can do that. Quick, easy meals. I've come up over the years, I'm sitting in the kitchen, I'm not in a chef's jacket or chef's hat. I am a chef, I don't need to prove I am a chef. I have 45 years history by working with top chefs around the world, being a head chef in many places like the Novotel in Wollongong and Sydney in the Hyatt. I worked one-on-one with a French chef in Glebe, Sydney for a long time, which launched my career after that. But enough of me. Like, recipe formulas, I learned from my dad at a really young age. Watching him, I was probably down like this. I was probably only this tall back then. But anyway, I was watching Dad in the kitchen, be always cooking on the stove, goulash, bredetto, which is like a fish stew, which we loved. Always everything fresh from the garden. He'd pick out in the garden, fresh salad on the table. And I'd always ask him, what do you put in that, Dad? What goes in that, Dad? And he would tell me, and then I realized over a certain amount of time when I started growing up and learning that it was always some kind of pattern or foundation or formulas. So I started writing down things in my cookbooks and my French books, recipe formulas. And I just loved it. And then I just started seeing a pattern with all the chefs. There was always recipe formulas happening. So I'm thinking, okay, I stopped chefing in the industry about 14 months ago, but I'm still passionate about food. I've been sharing with people. My wife and I always open up a home to hospitality to people. And we're always cooking, always doing different dishes or themes. So I would love to show you how to do a recipe formula in your own home, in your own kitchen. I've put together 7 modules, lessons, in the kitchen. And each one will be like risotto. Just giving you a little bit there, risotto. So if I could show you a formula in how to make a really nice risotto, nice and fluffy, nice and creamy, a basic. But then next week or the week after you go, oh, I remember that risotto. That was easy to remember that formula. So all you need to do is I teach you how to add certain ingredients into it, like salmon, or you want a mushroom risotto. And then you don't have to think about it, try and Google it. And then also, like with a baked cheesecake, I'll show you how to do one cheesecake, one risotto, and you can make 1 to 50 to 100 different dishes out of that one formula that I give you. And it's so easy to remember, and you won't be trying to think, what will I do? Ingredients are very cost effective, not hard to make. And then I want to join you with a nice glass of red or white, if you like white. My wife likes drinking white. Or if you're not, just fresh juice or water, that's fine. But let's meet together. I'd love you to buy the course. I'm putting seven courses together. It's going to be $77, and it'll be in your kitchen. You'll have access to it always. You can stop and play the video, and I'm going to put a private link in there that you can email me, text me, and ask me any question anytime. And also, if you're struggling with something or you'd like me to help you with a certain dish you always wanted to learn, then let's do a Zoom together. Let's do a live together. And then every week or every month, I'm going to add a new recipe or do some live where you will have access to that also. So I really hope to see you in my kitchen, in your kitchen. And I've titled it Show Me How Chef, because so many people go, I wish I could do that, wish I could do this. And every time I would always say to my chefs as well, show me how, chef. How did you do that? So I want to show you how, chef, in your kitchen. So have an awesome